I'm a money magnet, draped in designer, I stay high fashion. Kiss you bougie, know I'm high maintenance.
All right, for my ladies out there, I'm in Sephora right now. I'm gonna tell y'all what I think smell good. I know I've been doing a whole bunch of colognes for the men. Let me do it for the females too, because it's like, I know y'all be looking at it like, what about me? So look, I'm about to tell y'all what I like, straight up. I love me this Libre by YSL, but the Le Parfum, y'all, the Le Parfum, not the regular. Yeah, that Le Parfum. Oh snap, that's good. But they got a new one. I never smelled this one. It's new. It's called Libre Absolute. I never smelled this one. This might be better than Le Parfum. Let's see. If it's better than Le Parfum, I suggest getting this one then. But usually the highest concentration is always the best. Oh, this one smells good too. This one smells good too, y'all. Okay. Let me smell Black Opium. You know what I mean? It's the red one. It's called Oprah Red. Just test it, see how it smells. Okay. Sweet candy-like fragrance. It kind of reminds me of Lattafa's Sublime. So if y'all ever heard of Sublime by Lattafa, the red bottle, that's what this reminds me of. So y'all could probably pick that up for $20 over picking this up for $130. God damn. That's expensive. I got Flower Bomb here, y'all. Flower Bomb good. They got Versace Yellow Diamond. Let's see what Yellow Diamond smell like. Versace Yellow Diamond. I love Versace fragrances for women. Any girl ever tell me they got on that bright crystal, whatever that's called, I'd be like, hell yeah. That's a banger. Yellow Diamond smell good, but you could tell this fragrance might not last that long. And yeah, it's an eau de toilette. Ladies, eau de toilettes do not last that long. Always remember, try to get that eau de parfum. But yeah, this don't last. I just know it's not gonna last long. All right, we're gonna move on. We're gonna smell all these fragrances that I know smell good. So look, they also got this Valentino. It's called Vasi Vago Intense. I remember having a little sample of this. So Sephora always send me like this little gift box basket thing like once a month. And it still smells good as fuck. I like this so much. This Valentino right here. I like this. I like any fragrance that's real floral, but strong. Floral, sweet, and strong on a female. That's what I like. And I like real candy-like fragrances. Like if it's something that makes you smell like cotton candy, I like that. Like, just smell like dessert, ladies. Anytime y'all got a fragrance, any fragrance that make y'all smell like dessert, you in there. Ooh, this is my favorite Versace for y'all right here. I remember this. What is it called? Dylan Blue Turquoise. This was nice. And it still smells good. This is great. I really like this. That's really good. Really good. All right, let's smell some more stuff. Okay, so we're in another section of the store. They got some Marc Jacobs like Daisy. Got a whole bunch of different stuff, man. What's looking good? They got this Flower Bomb. It's called Ruby Orchid. I really used to love Flower Bomb, man, but the original. I didn't know they came out with so many fragrances. You know, I don't keep up with the girl fragrances because I'm not a girl. But I gotta get y'all hip though. Feel me? Let's see if I like this. Too light. Nope. I told you, man, it gotta be strong. I don't like stuff that's that light. Like, it gotta hit me. They got some Killians over here. Let me grab that. But I don't think there's nothing in this bottle. There's nothing in here. This right here, a really good Gucci fragrance. I really like this. I thought this came in like a green thing. Like I thought it was green. and had flowers on it. I don't know if it's the same one I smelled, but hold on. You know how some of these bottles be looking the same. That's probably how girls think of men fragrances. They all look the same. Y'all's all look the same, for real. Pink, 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 and purple and pink. Oh no, this, oh, hell yeah. Gucci Bloom, I like that. A lot. That's good. What else I can smell for the over here in this girl stuff? Let's try this Paradox by Prada. Check that out. We can see what's good. Oh, whoa! Paradox Intense. It's probably the best girl fragrance I smelled in a while. Wow. I would get my girl this. Vanilla milk. It's just the name. You know how it be. Sometimes the name will just catch your eye. And there's nothing in here. That's whack. So we gotta skip that. It's not really too much stuff over here. I think y'all heard of. Let me try this. So this one is called Rolling in Love by Killian. You know I love me some Killian. Ooh, and there's some in here. Nah, too light. Yeah, that's too light. I don't like that. We can move down there. Let me see. So I found the Gucci I was looking for. I knew it was green with some florals. This one, I remember this. It smelled really good. Oh, okay. So the last one I smelled must be the more intense version of this because that one smelled a little stronger, but it's still good though. Oh my God. It's like the Gucci fragrances for women smell good, but the Gucci fragrances for men don't. That's so weird. I don't know why it's like that. But all right, ladies. Some of these fragrances are starting to smell the same. So if you a lady, go in the comments. Let me know if you want me to come back to the store and smell a fragrance for you. I'm gonna do a proper review for it. Because I know my ladies need a male perspective, and I don't mind doing that. But okay, y'all. I'm Big Boss. I love you, ladies. I'm out.